Yeah, so this is what makes me busy. I will work for you. Okay, so let's start. Hold on, please. So, as you see, this is my squash or pumpkin, known as a pumpkin plant. 1, 2, 3. Yan. Okay, good. Ha. This is what they called horseradish. In our language is malunggay in Philippines. Then this is I will finish it actually today. I will work on it. I need to add another one here, going here, a trellis or arbor. They known as an arbor. This is my sweet potato. Yeah, that's my sweet potato. Okay. See, I have here. This is my, what do you call this in English? I forgot. So we call this atis. Sugar, apple sugar. Yes, apple sugar. And this is tamarind. All is bonsai. And then now this part, okay, this part, yan. This is the place where I will plant my chayote, but I'm not yet done. Okay, and this one I will remove this. It's a lot of flowers but no fruits. It's done. I already harvest the other melon, because this is a melon. Okay, and then actually I have no exact plan for this, but I did start to the seedlings. I have pineapple. Chili. A chili plant. Chili is here. See, I put all the chili seeds there and waiting for the sprout. So here, nothing's important. Look at this melon. It's hung in one melon. Okay. Hello, Maxi. Maxi. Okay. Yeah. So later I will show you where's my my chayote. Chayote, my favorite chayote. Look at my place. I'm in the backyard. Okay, this is Abu Dhabi Media, Al Etihad Medical Center, and we're here. Yeah. I did take care of this place. That's why a lot of people's coming here or came here or come here. Yeah, they're coming here to visit, take a picture. They like the place, they like the green area, they like my vegetable plants. Soon we will see. Okay, look at that. Nice place. Nice. Right? Great.